Hey guys, here's Peter. Let me introduce you our new ballpoint pen. It looks like this. It's absolutely innocent, made of all plastic molding. We have reduced the inner circuit, so it's even smaller than our first version, this black ballpoint pen. It's shorter and thinner. And why do we say it's absolutely innocent? Because it's PITA's product concept. We made everything like your daily objects. As you should remember, we have released the PITATA Sharpie pen. And I'm holding a normal one and a gimmick one. I think that's not so easy to tell which is the gimmick one and this is the gimmick one. So we have the same concept in our ballpoint pen. And here is the normal pen that you can purchase on the market. If you put them together, there's no way to tell which one is gimmick. It's absolutely normal and super easy to use. When you want to charge it, there's a charging port. Even if I tell you, it's not so noticeable. It's just a very small hole. And there is no physical switch to turn it on. You just tap the tip, now it's on. And if you don't use it, it turns off itself in 5 minutes. When you want to replace the tip, you just pick it out and maybe use a plier and to replace it. This ballpoint pen compatible with all PITATA impression pads, including our new released PITATA Whiteboard. You can pick on the picker board. And it's also compatible like a Clipboard or Whiteboard or MJMMagic. But Whiteboard maybe not the best because it's better with a marker or Sharpie. And it's perfectly compatible with our MemoPad. You can check of this combination. It's super innocent. It's just a normal notebook with a normal pen. No one can tell. And this is our MemoPad chip. You can put it inside of a notebook like this, or in your wallet, or in our spiral notebook, and it works with the new ballpoint pen perfectly. It's highly recommended.